Hello guys, so we're gonna do a squishy test. Tell me if you like the squishy sound, okay? One of my other squishies broke. Someone at my school broke it, sadly. Tell me if you liked it, guys. Bye.